the National Weather Service. For the following county: Baltimore, Maryland, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 11 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Pikesville, Little River, North Point State Park, Sparrows Point, Back River, Miller's Island, Dundalk, Towson, Essex, Parkville, Kearney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, White Marsh, Foley's Quarters, Hampton, Edgemere, and Nottingham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county: Baltimore,